How to change a piece of copper into TOY43 blank. From this piece of copper to TOY43 blank. Finally, cut a perfect key. How to get it? We can see generate key type. Click flat key blank. Input the key type that you need. For instance, TOY43. And then enter this option. Please prepare super key blank L. Click continue. It needs to change 1.5 color. Click change color. It says push the color on the top. Remove the former color at first. Change 1.5. Pay attention. Push the color onto the top. Push the probe also on the top. Loosen the screw of the probe. Let the probe touch the clamp. Click OK. Cutter installation is ready. Click continue. Depending on the guiding picture or animation to install the key on the machine. Depending on the guiding picture, install the other side of the key. Finish flat cutting. It's time to cut the lateral side. Click continue. Start to cut. Finished cutting all sides. Compare both of them. It looks pretty. Use this new key blank to cut a key. Click Cut by Bitting. Search TOY43. Select the correct one. In the same way, install the key on the machine. Pay attention. Detailed operation is very important. Let's cut this key by camera. Click camera. Align the key size with this area. Move every point on every bitting. If all ready, click OK. We also get all key bitting and click Cut. Continue. Time is limited. Go to Open the Door. Toyota Yaris. Turn on. Open the door. Turn off. Close the door. This function is perfect.